In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Let's walk through the entire process from start to finish so you feel confident creating professional invoices for your customers. Go ahead and sign in to your QuickBooks Online Advanced account, and once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Plus New. Click that button. This opens a menu of different transaction types. Under the Customers column, choose Invoice. This will open a new invoice form where you'll enter all the details. At the top of the invoice, you'll see a field to add a customer. Open the drop-down and either select an existing customer or create a new one if they're not already in your list. If you're adding a new customer, take a moment to enter their basic details so you don't have to redo this later. Once the customer is selected, double-check that the email address and billing address are accurate. This is important because QuickBooks will use the email for sending the invoice, and the billing address often appears on the invoice itself. Next, review the invoice date, the due date, and the terms. The invoice date is usually today's date, but you can change it if needed. The due date is when you expect to be paid, and it's often tied to the terms field. For example, net 30 means the customer has 30 days from the invoice date to pay. Adjust these fields so they match the agreement you have with your customer. Now scroll down to the line items section, where you'll add the products or services you're billing for. For each line, click into the product or service column and choose the appropriate item from the drop-down. If you need more lines, select Add Product or Service to create additional entries. If you don't see what you need in the list, you can create it on the fly by choosing Add New, then filling out the basic details for that product or service. After choosing each item, enter the quantity and the rate. QuickBooks will calculate the amount automatically for you, and you can review the subtotal and total at the bottom. When everything looks good, you're ready to save. If you just want to record the invoice without sending it yet, click Save and Close. This keeps it in your records for later. If you're ready to send it to your customer right away, click Send and Save. QuickBooks will email the invoice using the customer's email address you verified earlier, and your invoice is now officially on its way.